Welcome to The Guardian and the Specialist, where we decode molded case circuit breakers, or MCCBs, versus motor protection circuit breakers, MPCBs, for effective motor protection. Our main concerns are two invisible enemies: overload, a slow burn resulting from prolonged excess current, and short circuits, which cause an instant surge, often leading to explosion and fire. Circuit breakers protect against these faults using two core mechanisms. The thermal element reacts to heat, protecting against overload, while the magnetic element reacts to magnetic fields, protecting against short circuits. The MCCB is the generalist. Its primary role is to protect the grid and cables. It uses fixed or coarse adjustments and focuses on distribution, preventing wire insulation from melting. Motors pose a unique problem due to high inrush current, 6 to 7 times the norm, which can cause standard breakers to trip too early. Also, motors have thermal sensitivity and can burn out from minor overloads. The generalist cannot distinguish between inrush and fault. The MPCB is the specialist. Its role is dedicated motor protection. It features precision adjustment, ignores inrush, and reacts to faults. It also detects phase failure. In a head-to-head comparison, the MCCB protects cables for general distribution with fixed settings. The MPCB, or specialist, protects motors with fine precision adjustment and is an all-in-one breaker and relay. If you don't use an MPCB, you need a thermal overload relay. Relays sense gradual overheating and should be set to 100% of the full load current. However, they provide zero short-circuit protection. Sizing rule number 1 is to know the load. We use this formula to calculate the exact full load current, or FLC, based on output power, supply voltage, motor efficiency, and power factor. Putting it into practice, we first find the FLC using the given data. Then, for the MPCB setting, we apply the rule of 1.15 to 1.25 times the FLC, leading to a selection of 24 amps. Reading the trip curve shows two zones. The long time zone is for overload protection, which involves a waiting period. The instant zone is for short circuits, where the device trips immediately. Coordination and selectivity mean that the device closest to the fault, the branch MPCB, must trip first. This isolates the fault and prevents a total facility blackout. Avoid deadly and costly mistakes. The nuisance trip happens when the rating is set exactly to the FLC, at a safety margin. The boom occurs by ignoring the short circuit capacity, rate above max fault current. Finally, avoid ignoring ambient temperature. Derate in hot environments to avoid the heat. The key takeaways are: MCCBs protect the system, MPCBs protect the motor, combining thermal and magnetic functions. Always calculate FLC and check IEC 60947 standards. Reliability is truly achieved by design, as safety is in the details. Thank you for watching this video.